This is something rare, very rare. I've seen a lot of 48s. I've seen a lot of 49s. I've seen a 54, a 55, a 56. I've never seen a 51. I gotta see this one. And it's an F3, not an F1, an F3. That makes it would be like a 1-ton. Jeez, this is beautiful, man. Look at this. It's got a vent. Oh, it's got a rear view mirror. That's awesome. Look at that dashboard. It's pretty simple, but you know. You got a 292 in this?
No, it's a flathead.
Flathead. It's got a flathead. Wow. This corner turn signal. Yeah, Ford flathead. Yeah, look at that.
I believe that's 239.
Wow. Look at that. Got a generator. Yeah, yeah.
A little bit more.
Look at that. 1951 F3. That's awesome. How long have you had it?
Year and a half. This truck belonged to Mr. Lizio Construction.
Okay.
And his sons had this completely rebuilt for his 80th birthday.
Believe it, yeah.
He passed away. The truck was sold, and then I bought it from the second owner.
Right. Oh, you would have won awards. I went to the Lake George Adirondack Nationals last weekend.
Oh yeah.
You would have won with this.
Yeah,
There were a lot of
It's a pretty truck.
yeah. There were a lot of good in the Ford class. There were a lot of nice trucks.
When they redid it, the wiring for the most part was all aircraft wiring,
Right.
you know, cloth wiring. It's done real well.
Yeah.
And underneath it's pristine.
Believe it. You got the headlights. You got your cornering lamps right here. I mean, your turn signals up here and up here. Brilliant. Yeah. You never know what you're gonna see at these Long Island, at the Belmore, at the Friday night car show in Belmore. Bed's totally done, laced in rhino liner, then painted. You see, they got a bed liner, the compound. Oh, this is awesome, man. This is an F3, so this one would have had a heavier payload than an F1. This would have been the equivalent of a 1-ton. Or these days, it's, you know, its payload would be obsolete by what the Ford trucks can do now. But in 1950, this would have been a serious, work truck.
She's with her mother right now.
Oh, wait a minute, did she drive a stick? Oh, okay. Oh, cool, cool.
She loves telling people about how to do it.
Yeah, you got it. You'll be grinding. That's great.
She grinds a little bit, you know, whatever.
Yeah.